Well, I'm about 500 miles away from home and figured why not just bring some camping stuff with me and find the nearest campground and shoot a little video. I have no clue anything about this campground, what it's about, what it looks like, or really even how to get there.
The destination is on your right.
I guess we pay here $15 a site. All right, this is like the best site on the campground, and I was super lucky to get it. I'm hoping I can get some fish out of this river, but I'm gonna get camp set up and we're gonna go do some exploring. My wife is probably gonna kill me when she sees that I've got wood in her brand new car, but when you gotta camp, you gotta camp. Oh, that's awesome. Darn it. This air up mattress my wife got me, brand spanking new. It doesn't have the little rubber piece in there so I can air it up and the air doesn't come out. And this bed has a metal bar in it that goes right in my back if I don't have one of these. Awesome. It just never fails. I'm just gonna try to blow this thing up with my mouth and close it real quick. We'll see how that works. It's gonna take forever and I'm gonna get lightheaded, probably pass out, and they'll find me in the morning. So stupid. All right, I got it filled up. I think I'm gonna get geared up here and go explore this river. I guess they got trails that go all along this river here. So I'm just gonna get my pole, some bait, backpack, and just go backpack this thing and go explore it. Hopefully maybe get on some trout, we'll see. I think all I'm gonna use is just a little slip bobber with a worm. I'm not gonna make it complicated. I'm not a trout fisherman. We really don't have trout in Illinois. Everything likes a worm though, and we're gonna try that out. The slip bobber is too big for this, so it goes right in it. So scratch that idea. Just when I thought I had it figured out, goes right through it. Darn it. Plan B, I'm just gonna use one of these little spring bobbers. I got a feeling this water is gonna be stupid cold. I knew I should have brought my waders. That water is absolutely freezing. Oh my God, I knew I should have brought waders. So stupid, it would have taken like 30 seconds to load those things up. My feet are already numb. Whatever. We gotta catch some fish. Oh, darn it. All right, my feet are numb now, so I really can't feel them. So we're gonna move down. That hook is just too big though. Oh wow. Oh, what was that? Darn it. That's a little bitty fish. Oh man. I just had a trout come up and hit it. It wasn't a big one, but it was at least 7 or 8 inches. Well, I lost my bobber and my hook. It's not my day. I had one and my line wrapped around the end of my pole. Darn it. They ain't big, but I just want to get one in. Hey, honey. It's going okay. I can't catch a fish to save my life. All right, I am counting my losses. These trout are about that big. It ain't even worth it. I hooked into 2 of them and couldn't get them in. They just went right off the hook. So I'm heading back to camp. Not sure what kind of squirrel that is. I've never seen one like that before. It's like a little bitty red squirrel. And that is not a sound that I know of a squirrel to make. 2.5 miles. 2.5 miles. And I couldn't land one fish. Oh, wow. I'll tell you what. This is rough. It is rough. All right, guys, I'm getting hungry. So on the menu for today, pizza MRE. All right, let's see what we got in here. Cherry blueberry cobbler, pepperoni pizza with cheese and sauce, an oatmeal cookie, cheese spread with jalapenos, vegetable crackers, chocolate protein drink powder, a spoon, and a heat bag. So essentially what you do is just fill this up to here with water, and then we'll activate and it gets super hot and it'll cook your food. So I'm lucky enough that this one actually works. It's getting hot, so I'm gonna leave it on there for about 15 minutes. Open the rest of this stuff up. Cookie don't look bad. I'm assuming this is for the crackers. That's super greasy. It's not bad. I mean, it'd do in a pinch. Those are actually pretty good. You know, I really worked up an appetite catching all those fish today. Stupid. You know, I think I'm gonna quit fishing. I talked to the campground host over the phone the other day, and I said, hey, how's the fishing? Oh, well, in the fall time it's good, she said. I said, well, what about now? Should it, like, I even bother? Oh, I mean, you could try. You could try it. It's worth a shot. That didn't sound too promising. MRE also came with this. Open up this little pack and see what it's got in there. Looks like it's got a little towel, creamer, moist towelette, some freeze-dried coffee, sugar, some gum, salt, and a book of matches. I think this thing's pretty much about done. Alright, well, that's pretty warm. Not too bad. Don't look real appetizing, but we'll see. I'm sure I've eaten worse. It don't smell bad though. All right, now for this pizza. I'm very curious about this. This does not look appetizing. Here you go. There's the pizza in a bag. MRE pizza. Let's give it a shot. I'll say this, if I was like in combat and this is all I had, I mean, I'd probably be pretty happy with it, but not the best. Now that's good. That's not too bad. Not so big on the pizza. One last thing, we gotta try the cookie. It's a cookie. Ain't bad. My favorite out of this whole meal is the crackers and jalapeno. That's the best. Well, I just had somebody walk by all geared up in fly fishing stuff, and I talked to him and asked him if this river had any fish in it. He says, oh yeah, it's really good for fishing, but it's hard. He said it's super hard fishing here, and you gotta pretty much know what you're doing, and I don't, so I was just hoping for luck. But luck was not on my side today. I'm gonna sit here and eat my cardboard pizza. I swear. So my wife got me this cup, and it's got a little Bluetooth speaker at the bottom. I was kind of excited about just like sitting here listening to some music and you know, and I charged this thing before I came out here. It's not turning on. I swear, if it can go wrong on this trip, it's gonna go wrong.
Bluetooth mode.
Good thing I brought an extra battery pack with me. All right, good morning. I probably been fishing for the past half hour. I got one decent bite, but I missed it. I obviously don't know what I'm doing when it comes to trout fishing, and I don't claim to know what I'm doing. It's just something that I am not familiar with. We don't have trout by me, and yeah, I mean, I've caught them ice fishing, you know, up in Wisconsin up here. I've caught them ice fishing, but just cannot get on them in this stream. It's super hard. And there's something to it that I just don't know. But I am gonna do what I do best. So on the menu for this morning, I've got a MRE menu 17 pork sausage patty maple flavored. So let's see what this is all about. Hopefully it's better than that pizza yesterday. Looks like we've got a pork sausage patty, hash brown potatoes with bacon, pepper, and onions. We got dehydrated granola. And it looks like you need water for this one. And I didn't bring any, so darn it. A maple muffin top. Oh, muffin top. I can relate. Some grape beverage powder. And of course, we got the heater. Put my patty in there too, that way that gets warm. Oh, and I forgot too. There's some MRE smoked almonds in here as well. Let's try this muffin top. That actually don't look too bad. That actually smells good and it looks good. That's pretty darn good. I like that. That's probably gonna be my favorite thing out of the MRE, I think. I think I'm gonna save this granola and these almonds for maybe a little backpacking adventure that I got coming up. So I think this is gonna be plenty for me to eat for breakfast. I don't need to eat all of it. And I just seen this in here. It looks like it's got syrup in there as well. So I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe maybe for the muffin top, or maybe for the hash browns. You can put it on your hash browns. I don't know. We'll see. That's hot. I'm gonna heat this sausage patty up because it really wasn't warming up. So, but the hash browns are done. That don't look too bad. Smells good. That's really good. Not bad at all. I mean, I got like big chunks of bacon in here too. Pretty good size. I think I might put some of this syrup in there. Not too shabby. Just steam rolling off that. These things get hot. Not too bad looking. Smells good. I don't know about it though. We'll see. Actually tastes pretty good. Super greasy though. Like crazy greasy. But not too bad. And the good thing about the packing material is all biodegradable. I'm just kidding, I gotta pick all this up. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I had a good time making it despite getting skunked fishing. You know, in this channel I post my successes and my failures. I'm not too big to admit that sometimes I just can't get on fish, but I had a good time trying. If you guys like camping and fishing videos, make sure you guys check out my channel. I got a whole lot of those type of videos. I try to post a video every Saturday. If you like that type of thing, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. As always, you guys take care, and we'll see you next time at JP Outdoors.